May hapon.
Hapon?
Puro mo tayo gusto rin doon.
Bisaya, kibaw ng Bisaya.
Di ka digikan. Sir.
He said where you came from. Oh, where you came from? Tayo English.
Came from France.
Oh, friends. Are you Filipino?
No. Oh, French.
French. Comment parlez-vous? Kababian. You know how to speak Arabic? Suya. Mawi Kadir. Suya, ha? Malum tani kalam. Ana malum ada French. I know how to speak in French like comment parlez-vous? Sababian.
Good French.
Sabab yan. Sir, why are you here?
Kasi kay katanin kasabot.
Visiting.
It's a mountain.
Sir, why are you still here in the road?
You stopped me. I stopped.
Okay. I'm sorry. You, come here. Hey. No. Why you said no? Come here. This is my new friend. Hey,
Hi, sir.
Come
my friend.
Yeah.
In our group, this is our translator.
Speak good
Okay.
French.
This is our you speak in Japan yan, English, you know. You speak,
Korean, Americano.
Hey.
Wait more guys.
You know how to
Yes.
No. What else?
Yes,
English.
Yes ba?
Yes.
Yes ra ko.
Yes. Yeah. How about you? Come. This is my new friend. You speak another words?
Nothing.
Nothing. Say you speak English.
No, speak English. I am
Bisaya. But say like, how are you? Are you good? Say like that.
like good morning.
Good morning. Yeah. Talking.
No.
I will teach you English.
No.
Okay. He teach you.
Oh, French.
No, speak English.
How about you? Come here. Now you know my. What's your language?
Bisaya.
Bisaya. Good. Bisaya. French, not Bisaya.
Bisaya gamay.
Bisaya gamay. Bisaya gamay. Okay. Ibaw ng Bisaya. Okay, tuloy.
Sir, may hapon.
Hapon?
Puro mo tayo gusto rin doon.
Bisaya, kibaw ng Bisaya.
Di ka digikan. Sir.
He said where you came from. Oh, where you came from?
Asa ka padong, sir?
What am I doing here?
He said where are you going?
Visiting. I don't know where I'm going.
Like that.
Traveling.
Traveling. You don't know how we're going anywhere.
Sa kwan pa sa amo sir kay Missouri ra ka. Missouri.
He said that wander around.
Wander around.
Anang sir nga naka-eat ka do. Sir.
He said you eat now dinner.
Lunch.
Just only lunch. You give free dinner?
Oh, good for you.
No problem. Just only ada Filipino and French. So it should be have a meaningful communication. Good. Understand or not?
Wala.
Wala ka nang
Understand.
Nakasabot. It's okay. How about you, my friend? You have any question about sir? Very important question.
Excuse me, sir, may I ask you a question? Are you a single or married, separated?
None of these.
None of the above.
No girl.
No, I have a guy. I'm married, but I have an engaged.
Engaged already. Oh, engaged.
I thought you are single because I am single too.
I prefer good-looking women.
But he's a good looking man.
Very handsome.
Really,
Really.
handsome. No.
That's so many.
This is my first time to heard another country from France. I'm handsome, but Filipino said, you are ugly. Why you like
I
that?
like dark-skinned people.
That was so.
Very dark. I like dark. Very tan.
At you know, sir, thank you so much. Then, thank you for being here in Philippines, Cebu.
I love Philippines.
I know because some of the very barangay or country said have noted. I love Balamban, I love Cebu, I love Cagayan, but just only here in the Cebu, come here in the Philippines, or you go another town?
No, I live in Talisay.
Talisay.
Talisay, yeah.
And
But
then?
I went to Negros.
Negros.
I went to Palawan. I went to Bantayan.
Bantayan.
Manila.
But in Cebu, where you stay?
I live in Talisay.
Talisay. So now you can wander around there in the TCH, Trans Central Highway. Then after that you can go back to there in your
No, for the moment, I'm
Talisay.
staying in Toledo.
Toledo.
My wife is from Toledo.
Your wife here there.
Yes.
Your wife
What's
is
the
Filipina.
last name?
Alfonso.
Alfonso. It's a very famous girl. Famous Alfonso.
Alfonso, very famous.
There in the Toledo. You know, very rich man person.
Ah.
Not rich man in the money. Rich man from the heart.
Yes.
Giving
I
it to
agree.
each other. Give the very important to the a person come with his body and then very what's the name of that? Accredited. Same like that. You can go there. Stable. Now I cannot find another girl. I'm still there. What's your name?
Frederick.
Frederick.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Christian or not? Christian?
Yeah, Christian. Yes.
Christian. Christian. Because the Christian is have a many kind of Christian.
Catholic.
Catholic. Wow, girl. Seem like this.
Yeah.
You sign like this. Wow, you know already. Comment allez-vous?
Je vais bien.
Ça va bien?
Et toi?
Et toi? Because you know, sir, I have experience about I was working there
You're the
in
first Filipino I hear talking French.
because sir, you know, I was working in the Saudi Arabia. Then my partner of work came from France.
Okay.
Then France said, give me a little bit sounds of very important of French. He said, I teach you. Comment allez-vous? Ça va bien? That's it.
That's it.